truly believe the content consumption in India is going to be massive. The content consumption is going to explode, largely because of the local languages, which is going to sort of redefine. But just setting the context, just want to sort of throw a few stats that we're completely aligned. If you look at from the Indian internet user base, one of the Google KPMG report talks about 735 million user base by 2021. The most interesting part here is the Indian local language internet user base, is on a compounded growth rate of about 18%, which is going to reach about 530 plus million by 2021. Now, this is going to be 75% of your the internet user base. Now, that's the most interesting part. From the comparison perspective, now English will grow about 3%. Will reach about 190 200 million. For the same period. And what is actually enabling this? What is the key driver? India has become the second largest smartphone user base with over 560 million smartphones in India. And the most interesting part is we're going to add another 400 million net new users in next 5 years. Interestingly, what actually happened is between 2010 and 2020, in a decade's time, we had about 500 million net new users as per the smartphone. Clearly indicating that the smartphone rise in India is clearly becoming the enabler for internet usage. And we are talking about short form content. Now, 45% of the internet users are actually using short form content right now. And this is expected to go to about 60%, which is about 580 million in about next 5 years. Right? If you look at what is capacitated the smartphone usage, is the cheap data cost is about $0.09. And if you look at the consumption standpoint, per month per smartphone, it's about 12 GB, which is a whopping number. That's the consumption actually happens. Now, if you look at the time spent from the Indian standpoint, it's about 1/5 of the day is being spent on consuming content, roughly about 288 minutes per user per smartphone. Now, out of which 54% of the time which is being spent is spent on consuming content. Content, when I say this is social media, this is your OTT, video, audio, so on and so forth. The balanced audience comes to edtech, fintech, mobility, so on and so forth. Now, I will to touch upon the short form as a content category in itself. We had roughly about 20 million, short form consumers in about 2016. So clearly about 180 million, in about 2020. So what has actually led to this explosion is clearly the creation of the local content. Now, Aditya, to put it this way, if you have to look at India from a triangle perspective, if you have to look at the top, 10 tier 1 cities or metro cities, however you want to sort of call it, that has about 80-100 million people in the top 10 cities. Now, the tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 audiences far close to about 400 million people. Then the next set of villages will have about 800 million people. So the internet consumption is going to come from your tier 2, tier 3, tier 4, and then the villages. Therefore, regional languages is going to sort of redefine the content consumption in India.
I think with that, Akash, this is a good time to bring you in, because Indus has been at the forefront with players like Daily Hunt on making sure that the Indian languages are getting, or regional languages are getting the right amount of impetus. So your opening remarks on how you see this.
Thanks, Aditya. Thanks, Anba, for joining us to discuss this very important topic. We have for very long believed that the next generation of internet users will be Indians who have not previously used internet. And the way they will consume internet, the way they will consume internet services will be very different compared to how we have been using internet, which is why the trend of how we consumed internet and how the current or newly acquired users or newly internet users, how they are using internet is very different. And the type of phones which we were using, the type of infra which was available to us, in fact the kind of bandwidth which was available to us, all of that has changed, and that has led to significant amount of innovation in the content consumption space. Inba has already talked about how India is actually moving towards becoming a country which consumes a lot of content, in all formats. And I can actually validate that by just talking about what we have seen at Indus App Bazaar. So for people who are not aware, Indus App Bazaar is actually India's indigenous app store. It's one of the largest app stores in India. We are on all Samsung devices. We have more than 150 million users who are using our product. And coming back to the topic on the content space, what we've seen is 2020 was a year which has actually seen a massive push in terms of digital adoption in India. I've read multiple reports where globally, because of COVID and because of people being forced to use internet to access, e-commerce as well as content consumption, we have seen a growth which typically would have been achieved in 5 years. In fact, Benedict even actually has a very good presentation on the same. But talking about India and talking about in this App Bazaar users, what we have seen is specifically in short video format, we have seen 10x growth, almost 11x growth in terms of installs. Similarly, for music and OTT space, we have seen a 6x growth in the installs. OTT is 2x, music and podcast is 6x. So across the category, number of people who are using or downloading applications have increased significantly. And overall, compared to 2019, 2020, if we actually look at the total number of installs, we've seen 4x installs happening, more installs happening. So clearly, there is a massive push. People are installing more applications, which means they are actually using these applications more. And then if we go and look at the time consumption of how they are utilizing their time, Inba talked about that 54% of users are actually spending time. 54% of the time is actually going in consuming content. And where is this content consumption time going? It's majorly in the video space. 4 categories. Short video is definitely one. Then YouTube itself. YouTube is such a large content platform in India that itself is a category. OTT altogether is growing really fast, and then music and podcast is also significantly growing. So, and then social media, obviously, most of us spend a lot of time on Facebook, Instagram, and all other social platforms. So clearly, there's a push, and there is no denying that content consumption will change. Content consumption is increasing, and that will change how we will do a lot of other things on our devices, and that will lead to a lot of other kind of innovations which we will have to take care of.